Question 51 in section 8.2 is asking us to use these equations to find the height of a woman given her femur length. Now you can look in your book to see they give you pictures of kind of what the femur and tibia look like, but all this kind of forensic science stuff is not really important. We could just think of this all in abstract algebra terms. Um, Now they give you the femur, but they do give you two equations, so you have to first decide, okay, which one am I going to use? And keep in mind that even though these are both like h of something equations, they are taking different inputs, and so they're going to give you different outputs based on which one you use. And specifically, the first one that they give you is for femurs, and the second one is for tibia length. So it depends which the length of which bone you know which equation you're going to use. So in this case, we know the femur length, so we are going to use